Okay, the next before your chiffon, powder the dust. Need to have the dust. Holy shit, you have the same monitor! You have the same you have this just say you have the same keyboard. Oh my god, that keyboard. Yeah, when you see it. What the fuck was that? It's Among Us when you see it. Holy shit. This is no, it's not 16. You have a Nintendo Switch? Wow. And Logitech. And dongle, the iPhone dongle. And the USBs. And the mouse and poor mouse pad. Microphone. Okay, who's the specs? You have 2 Logitech. Say computer is i7 6700K core 16 GB of RAM DDR3 Asus SUSI GTX 9070 4GB Samsung 500 GB SSD with Western Digital 1TB SSD case and neighborhood Predator X1 Black Edition OS 10 Windows 10 Pro 20H. I still miss 8.1. Yeah, I remember you are a good fucking fan of Windows 8.1. I remember that. Peripherals 2 monitors Samsung. Rate is primary 1016 Hz. It's the same monitor but it's 16 Hz. The keyboards in Tesoro duraron las G-Son MX Ray. The primary control keypads are boosted and another is Genesis Store 300 TKL Autemu Blue. Mousepad Logitech 602 Genesis M2 logo 18S. No. It's low and metal cut and taped. Oh, I see. Webcams Logitech C922 mixed stand Behringer C1U Camera Me 230 headphone stand Audio Technica 80-inch M400X Trux ATX 200 sender. Any question you can answer here in voice on the stream. Oh my god, this is the SUS. Oh no, it's the same. On the left. Oh yeah. Retro setup. Hey, wait, you have it. Hey, no! No! You have the motherfucking. No, I'm done. I'm done. I only say one thing. I hate you. I fucking hate you. I really wanted a motherfucker MacBook. This is in 2008. 2008. Yeah, I know, but dude, you have a fucking MacBook black in good condition. I don't know who's the battery. The battery is broken, but I don't care. It's in good fucking condition. No, no. I fucking really like this computer. Literally, I'm gonna try found that keyboard, that computer in Marketplace. Why is it so expensive? This is like more 100. It's 133. It's so expensive. I really want one. I try put that computer, but the person try sell me the computer, never answer. Fuck off. Sorry, I can't say nothing for that. 9 of 10. I don't care. Where is your MacBook? I remember you have a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, say. Dude, I really... If you go out of Romania every day, I don't know. But if I go to Romania, I gonna steal your fucking MacBook. I see your MacBook. I'm gonna go steal your MacBook, okay? Remember my words. I'm gonna go to Romania to steal. You stole your MacBook. I don't care. Okay, you computer. What is the name? Oh my god! I see it when you see it.